Brain Access Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Brain Access Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. On this episode of Brain Access Solutions, we have a Tombow Monograph zero point 0.3 mechanical pencil. I bought this from Lazada for around 399 pesos, as you can see from the screen. For that price alone, I think that it's worth it. It's not too expensive and it's not too cheap either. The body is made of plastic, as you can see from here, and it has a metal grip at the bottom. So when you hold it, it does not slip off of your fingers. I can say that the length of this mechanical pencil is a standard, and if you compare it with a Staedtler mechanical pencil, you can easily tell that its size is almost the same as that of the Staedtler mechanical pencil. It has this transparent body which allows you to see the inside of this pencil. Although it is plastic, it's tough. It's made of a durable plastic and it doesn't crack easily. With regards to the metal parts, they're also tough, and I don't think that you can just um, deform these metals by just pressing onto them. For this particular mechanical pencil, you can only use a zero point 0.3 lead. There are other models for this Tombow mechanical pencil. If you wish to use a zero point 0.5 lead, then you'll have to order the zero point 0.5 mechanical pencil. But I like to get the zero point 0.3 because they have this tiny lead and I can draw tiny details as well. Like any other type of mechanical pencil, to extend its lead from its tip, you'll need to press the button at the back of this pencil. This is the button that I'm referring to. This isn't a regular button. It also houses the eraser inside, and the way for you to bring out the eraser is to twist the button clockwise, and if you wish to retract it, you'll just have to do a counterclockwise twisting like that. You can also hold the button between your fingers and twist the main body, and the effect will be also the same. The eraser will also come out from its housing, as you can see from here. Now what I have here is a mono eraser. It's a dedicated eraser that I use for erasing small details in my drawing. What I noticed is that its eraser refill is almost identical to that of the Tombow Monograph's eraser. They are both of the same size, but the Tombow Monograph eraser is a bit of shorter. So if we remove this container or this housing, we can see that, hold on, let's twist it out until the whole eraser comes out. Once it's fully extended, we can just pull it off there. I actually don't use any eraser of my mechanical pencils. I like to keep it that way because I have dedicated erasers. But if you wish to refill this one, once you've finished it off, if you actually use them for erasing, then you might, spend all of this erasers. Then you can use the Tombow monographs, the dedicated erasers refill to replace this eraser. Now, refilling the lead is pretty basic. You'll just need to remove the cap or the button at the back end and just spill off the contents. So that's the zero point 0.3 lead. As you can see, it's so tiny that I had to use the tip of the mechanical pencil just to bring it up. And the way to refill this is to just slide the lead into this hollow container. But be careful, sometimes the edges inside this, the ridges inside this hollow container also blocks the lead from going inside. So you'll have to aim properly or shake it a bit just to let the lead fall into the canister. I hardly find any reason to remove the grip and the tip unless I'm cleaning it. Regardless of how careful you are with using your mechanical pencils, eventually the tubes inside this mechanical pencil will get blocked by broken leads or its dust particles. When that happens, no matter how many times you try and push the lead out, it won't just come out, and you'll have to eventually clean it. And there's a cleaning pin that you can buy to clean the tip of these mechanical pencils or for any other mechanical pencils out there. As for the question whether it's comfortable to hold, yes, I guess it is. The stapler is much lighter than the Tombow monograph, and I think the extra weight will add more stability to this mechanical pencil. We have yet to try, so let's go ahead and try drawing with it. So, how does it feel like using this for drawing anime characters? I think that this is one of the best mechanical pencils that I've ever used. I'm not kidding. Yeah, I think this is one of those. But that is mainly for the reason that it feels so sturdy and stable in my hand, and I feel like it's kind of a quality tool for drawing manga characters or anime character. If you're wondering if it's worth buying the Tombow Monograph Zero, I can recommend that. Yes, this is so cool, and this is a good tool for drawing small manga characters. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel, leave your comments below, and like this video. Thank you very much.